Friends, welcome again. In this video we are going to work with edit posts and destroy posts, so delete from the database. I have opened the Docker app. The application is up and running here. We have the post. I made a change to show the post in the table, and I'm going to show you here. So inside the index I put the table is styling with Tailwind CSS, and here we loop through the post and display the post title, and I add the link to edit the post. So I add this link, the root is post edit, and we passed here the ID for that post. And with that we are going to create a file inside the post. New file, edit.blade.php. Here I'm copy from the create, copy all, and inside the edit paste. No, inside the create and pass it here. Okay, if I save now, refresh, when I click here now, I'm going to I think I made it, yeah, we make edit post. If I save, okay, yes, sorry for that. We need to go to post controller, and inside the edit method we need to have the post here. We find the post from the ID we put here. So where is the index? We put here the ID, so inside there is a row, we put the ID, and in controller we handling this ID to find the post, and we are returning a view posts dot edit, and we pass it through the post. Save this, and if I refresh now, okay, we have the form, but I need here to be the title for that form, for that post, and the body for the post. So inside the edit bleed, so we have the post, and where is the title? Title is here. We don't need now the placeholder. We need the value. It's going to be the post title, and here post body. If I save here, you refresh. Okay, we have the post title and post body. Okay, so we are going to change the route here. Post is going to be inside the update method. Post update, and the method is going to be post, but you're going to change this, put name method, type is going to be hidden, and to be put save here. We have this one inside the Laravel documentation. Okay. I think we're done with the form. Now we need the post inside the update method from the ID, and because inside here we need to put the ID, sorry. Okay, save, and from that we get the post now from that ID, and we can do the same thing with the update. Sorry. Okay, I'm showing you in this. If I save now and go refresh, okay, so we have the updated post here. Change the second post that you is update the post, but why I do that, I can return redirect here to the route post index. Okay, okay, save this now and go. So I did this one now. Delete from form, updated, save this, and we are going back, redirecting back to the post indexer. Oh, we can do another way with the update method. And we pass here the array. The title is going to be the request title, and body request body. But if we save now, we're going to have an error, and I'm going to show you in a minute why. If we go here, post one updated, and I save, we have this title, add title to fill up. So he said very good in English, add title property to fill property to allow mass assigning on app models post app. So if we go to post model, and he said add title to fill property, and I protected We have a title and body. Save this, and if I go back now, try again, update it. If I save now, we have this updated. Okay, I'm going to show you the destroy method very quick. It's simple enough. Get the post from the ID, and we are going to delete the post. Okay, in the index method, here we have a, I need a form for this, so form method post action is going to be route post destroy. We have the post here, so we need the ID to okay, we change the method. To the left, input or button type submit, and close the form now. If I save here, so inside the destroy we have the post with refresh. Now we have this delete method, delete button. If I hit here, I need to delete one. Okay, is it again? Okay, why is that happen? I change. Good. Okay, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.